Okay, here I have an Operation Christmas Child Shoebox for a girl aged 10 to 14. It has this gorgeous wrapping paper of horses running in the snow. So let's see what's inside. In this box, we have a notebook, a coloring book, and this is like, an adult coloring book, so it has some really fun patterns and designs in there. We have 2 pairs of socks, washcloth, deodorant, pack of tissues, some nice purple sunglasses, small hairbrush, 2 headbands, pens and pencils for school, scissors, a toothbrush, a flashlight, and I still need to put the batteries in the box, a Hanua bracelet, which I think is pretty cool, like a jump rope, this nice Barbie doll. She's wearing a cactus dress, and she's got sunglasses too. That's cool. I have these Tangle toys that I found. I had one of these in my other, and I think these are kind of cool. I mean, I like to play with this now, so I think that 10 to 14 would like this. We have a yo-yo. Oh, I do have some batteries in here. A calculator, some colorful pens to write with, silly scent markers, and these are fun because they actually do smell like these things. It's funny. 2 sheets of stickers, a bar of soap, and in the soap jar I actually packed some colorful duct tape. This stuff is fun. I like to use it. A lip smacker because I really loved lip smackers when I was that age. We have an eraser in here, pencil sharpener, hair ties, a nail clipper, and we have this fun fashion ring. It's just pretty and will be fun to play with. And then the last thing is this pretty pink notepad to make lists or write notes. So that is everything that is in this box for a girl aged 10 to 14. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe to see more of what I'm packing this year, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!